Hello guys, today I want to show you how to embed loop video in Behance project. So first head over to Behance, open your account and go ahead and type in create project here. Head over to embed and here we're gonna paste the code from Vimeo. So let's get back to Vimeo. Open Vimeo and click on upload and upload the video that you want to embed to your Behance project. For example, I just uploaded this video. Click on it. Head over to Appearance on the left sidebar, make sure Embed is toggled on. So, here make sure this is on. Now, click on Share. Click on Embed Copy. Embed Code. Now get back to Behance and paste the code here. Click on it. And that's it guys, just make sure you click Continue and give the video a title and tags and hit Publish. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.